To my channel. I'm so excited to be back at you again today with another video. It's been a little while since I did a wig review video, so I thought I'd come back with some fire. We're going to be talking today about this gorgeous lusciousness on my head. As we can see, this wig is pure fire. Okay, we're just gonna put that out there. So I originally saw this wig on another YouTuber's video. Her name is Her Style. She is here on YouTube. She has a massive channel with huge following, and all she does is talk about wigs. I love her and I love her channel, so I watch her religiously, and I actually saw this wig on her channel last year, so of course I had to buy it because the wig is fire. Seriously, I saw the wig on her channel, straight fire. I was like, no, I have to get this wig. So I went on eBay. She got hers off eBay. I went on eBay, searched around, and I found a seller. I actually bought the wig over the Christmas holidays, so it took about 3 weeks to get to me, but I presume that under normal circumstances I would have got the wig a lot earlier. It's a synthetic unit. It's a 26-inch synthetic wig. The wig does come with two options, so you can either have the yaki straight unit or silky straight unit, and I went for the yaki straight unit because I wanted the hair to have bulk, volume, texture. It's more my style, and I felt like it would look more realistic for me as opposed to a silky unit. And I must say, guys, I have not been disappointed by this wig at all. So the wig itself cost me £25, including shipping, or it must have been free shipping. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll leave the seller's links and, you know, all the relevant information in the description box below. But I didn't spend no more than £25. So it is 26 inches of absolute synthetic lusciousness. It's a lace front unit, as I showed in the intro, so it is lace from ear to ear. 3 combs in the front and the adjustable straps in the back. Now I must say this real quick, if you are a big-headed girl like myself, you will love this wig, okay? I'm starting to find that the longer that my hair is getting, the more difficult it is for me to find wigs that fit comfortably, but this one fits absolutely comfortably. I've got all of my hair in and I'm not feeling any headache or anything at all. I've, you know, installed this wig now for the past 2 hours and I am absolutely fine. I find with other units, once I hit the 2-hour mark, I start to get a headache, you know, and that's when you get to the point where you're eager to take the wig off. But I'm not feeling that way at all about this unit, not at all. It's so comfortable. It's such a comfortable fit for me. The wig does come layered, so you shouldn't have to do no cutting or layering to it, unless of course you're not happy with how it looks. Then you can go in and do, you know, a bit more layering, but it already comes layered, so that's beautiful. The only thing that I did to the wig, apart from cutting off the lace in the front, was the part. I went in to pluck the part a little bit more to sort of suit my preference, and then I went underneath the wig and applied my concealer just to the parts, and that was it, okay? And I just plunked it on my head, good to go. And I really appreciate sometimes wigs when you don't have to do too much to. You literally get it out the bag, shake, go, good to go. Oh, and I also went in to straighten the wig, as I showed earlier on in the clip. I went in to straighten the wig because when I unraveled it from the packaging, it wasn't looking very nice no more, so I needed to show it a little bit of love, basically. So yeah, guys, that was all I did to this absolutely fire unit. There are 2 things about this wig that really gets me like 1 flyaways. This wig has a hell of a lot of flyaways. That is easily remedied though, to be fair. A bit of hairspray, slick it down, you should be good. You know, that should hold it down for a couple of hours. So that's not too big of a deal. But the other thing is that this wig sheds like a mother. It sheds a hell of a lot. So just bear that in mind when you're buying it, that over time it will thin out if it continues to shed the way that it is doing right now. So that's just the other thing that you need to bear in mind. It's a shedder. It sheds. So that is it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, if you agree with me that this wig is straight fire, please hit the thumbs up button. Give us one of them. Let us know that you enjoyed this video, and if it's your first time on here, you never seen this face before, but you enjoyed what you have just watched, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are not new here, you always been there for your girl. Thank you very much for stopping by again and watching this video. I genuinely appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for the love, for the support, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Until then, as I always say, be good, stay safe, take care of yourself, guys, and I love you all. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. One more thing before I go. If there's anything else I forgot to address about this week, hit me up in the comment section below with your questions, and I will be sure to answer every single one of them. All right, guys. Peace.